Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add a PayPal button to your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once you're here in your dashboard, first thing that you need to do is go to getting paid and then go to connect and setup. Once you go to connect and setup, here you're going to find connect payment method. Go ahead and click on connect payment method. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to add PayPal. So if you want to add it, just click on connect. And then you need to connect your PayPal account. And then you're going to be able to link it to your Wix store. Once you do that, if you want to add a PayPal button, just go to edit site. And then we're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for it to load. And then once loaded, this is how it would look like. So right now, if you want to add a button, just go here to the left. And as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you design your site. Go to the plus icon or add element. And then here you're going to find button. Once you find button, right here, you're going to find all of the types of buttons that are available here in Wix. So just add the PayPal button. You're going to find it right here. Click on the plus icon. And then you're going to be able to add the PayPal button. As you can see, guys, right now it's added. And then as you can see, guys, this is how it will look like. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.